Hi guys, hope you're doing great. Thanks for reviewing my course. This course will give the skill to build, create, demonstrate, and differentiate all the components available under System Center Configuration Manager as well as System Center Operations Manager. My name is Karthik. I have almost 15 years of experience with core knowledge on System Center products, Microsoft 365 services, mobile device management, Windows 10, etc. And also, I'm a certified professional in System Center product, Microsoft 365, and Azure Security Services. At the end of my course, you will understand how to fully implement and administrate SCCM and SCOM in your IT infrastructure, or you can set up your own demo lab for testing, all using a free trial version, which is almost close to 180 days. So in this course, first we will start with SCCM and then with SCOM. We will be discussing about the concepts of both the technology, architecture, the requirement gathering, planning and execution, all the prerequisite required before executing both this product, and we will have a walkthrough on all the component tabs available under SCCM and SCOM. In this tutorial, no information is left out and no details are skipped over in this crash course. I have included all the section with short theory and a practical demo. Again, my name is Karthik and I'm looking forward you to enroll now, and let's travel together in this tutorial journey. See you.